Hello, I'm Rachana Sonawane from Surat, Gujarat. I'm a teacher by profession and I teach English and social science to the CBSE classes from 8 to 12. I have vast experience of 16 years in teaching as well as educational administration. I have completed my master's degree in English and also B.Ed. I have also qualified TET, that is Teachers Eligibility Test of Maharashtra State Government and CTET of Central Government. I ranked 480th, that is in top 500 in the nation in Teachers National Olympiad conducted by Center. So far, I have taught thousands of students and also taken efforts so that they come out with the flying colors in their board examinations of CBSE class 10th and 12th. Many of them even have scored above 90, to tell you proudly, even 99 out of 100. Since this March 2020, I have taken up online classes. And as far as my teaching style is concerned, I take care that every student in my class understand the topic. So I focus on conceptual clarity and the thorough understanding of my topic. Whenever and whatever my students come out with the doubts, I take efforts that I clear their doubts by every possible means. I've taken up my online classes through the Zoom applications. I also attend online sessions, webinars to update my knowledge and to keep myself updated for the students. I try to keep the atmosphere in my class light so that students are not burdened, and even I entertain the light discussions about the many issues which take place around us. So I believe in completely burden-free and lively atmosphere in my class. Sulekha gives you this wonderful opportunity to connect with the experts like me, and also gives you the wonderful platform through eLearn. They take care that you get the complete or thorough knowledge of your subject and complete preparation for your examination through this easy and comfortable platform of eLearn, and using the expertise knowledge with the teachers and the persons like me. So I wish you all the best for your journey ahead with Sulekha eLearn. Thank you.